What it do, people? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure if you're new, click that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light because my other one went through some things, and yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be unboxing my ring light. Excuse my voice, y'all. These allergies and stuff has gotten to me. It has gotten the best of me. So make sure y'all stay safe out here with this pollen because it's no joke. So yeah, this is the kind I have. The standard size, you know, nothing major yet. So yeah, I ain't even gotta explain, you know, the setup is self-explanatory. It's just me setting my ring light up and stuff. And y'all, I'm not talking to myself. I got my earplugs in, and I was talking to my sister. Like, we be having real serious conversations. Yep, and it's up. This is my new ring light. I pray to God that this one don't break like my other one did. But yeah, it's my new ring light. I told y'all, nothing major, not yet. I already know I had to get in front of the thing. Like, why not? I'm in front of the camera and behind the camera at all times. And y'all already know I moved to the beat of my own drum. Go Jay, yeah. Get lifted. That's what I do. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Click that post notification bell so you'll be notified when I post and all that good stuff. But yeah, peace, love, and happiness.